Oh hey guys, didn't see you there. Look at my desktop. It's filled with so many unwanted files. I wonder if there's a way to organize these. Um,
Alright guys, it's time to start coding.
okay, I finished the code and this is it. I will upload a GitHub link and in that I will include comments explaining the functionality of the code. So what this basically does is this moves the unwanted files in our desktop into separate folders and stores them inside. I'm the unluckiest person on earth. I mean, the clean.py is right under the recording bar. There's a bar that shows the screen record in my laptop, and clean.py was right under it, and I couldn't click it at all. Then I had to move it over here to find it. Alright, let's check this. There, good. Sometimes it takes a couple of clicks for this to work. So that's how it works, and it's really early in the morning.